pretty bad shape. We can replace this though. Get that out of there. I'm definitely going to get it out of there before I turn anything back on, because it's already fried. So we can get this out of here real quick. Alright. Alright, so we're going to replace this fried outlet with a proper GCFI. It should be in here. So we're going to put that in now. Alright, so little tight right there. Bring him out a little bit more. Bring him out a little bit more. There we go. Okay, let me trim that just a little bit more yet. Alright, so this is the fuse box for found all the fuses were blown, so I just went ahead and bought a whole bunch of new ones. So I'm gonna start putting them in, and let's get all new ones in here. At least 3 of them were blown, so we'll just go ahead and get some in here. We'll put the 30 where the fridge is and all that, because there's a lot of high drain in the kitchen area. That's the kitchen. And then we'll just put some 15s in the other room where this controls some of the other areas. Well, it should be all right. All right, we're good to go here. Okay. That's a bad one. Now for the final test. Oh, all right. Alright, so we got a green light. This is know the outlet's good now. Plug them on in. And there goes the fridge, it's on. Okay, and we should have power everywhere else as well. Yep, it's hot there too. Power. I think that's it. Stove. There we go, power in the stove too. Bam, done. Okay, for part 2 of the exam here, I was asked to check out the water tanks to make sure they're operational. Alright, so let's see. Okay, that one, the pilot's on in that one, the pilot is out in that one, it looks like. So, I think that one's cool. It's on. I mean, it's not currently running, but the pilot is on. The pilot's out here, so let's try to get that on. Alright, let's try to do that real quick. Pilot lighting on. Let's turn this light out for just a second so I can see. Hold it on down. Not trying to come on yet. Gas is on there. Turn the light. Huh. It ain't going. Let's see. Turn it back off for a minute. Let's put it to the off position just for a minute. Put it to pilot lighting. Let's turn it off for a minute. Alright, let's wait about 5 minutes real quick. Make sure the gas is off. I wonder it won't light us off. Oh. Okay. That's why. There is no gas on over there. Gas is out. No wonder. But, I mean... So this is cool here. This ain't on. Yeah, I mean the gas is off and locked out. So that's why I can't get that one. That's for the upper. Gas is off, huh? Down on the down, it's on. It's off and locked off.